Most welcome, dear students. My name is DN Sukla from LPM Public School. My dear students, today in this video we will talk about the order of adjectives. Suppose that you are writing a sentence or speaking a sentence and more than one adjectives are being used. Then in this video I am going to make you understand the correct order of the adjectives. Dear student, some examples are given here. She gave me an interesting and old Spanish book. I saw an ugly but rectangular modern table. There are ripe Kashmiri green apples. He wore a woolen, large black suit. He wore a woolen, large black suit. So you can understand with the help of these sentences that they have not their perfect sense. And now read the given these sentences again, because in above sentence the sequence of adjectives is not in proper order. Now read the sentences. She gave me an interesting old Spanish book. I saw an ugly but modern rectangular table. These are ripe green Kashmiri apples. He wore a large black woolen suit. So these sentences make more sense. It is because the adjective have been arranged, used in proper sequence. We put commas between adjectives if they are equally important and give similar kind of information. However, we don't use commas if the adjective give different kind of information. No comma is placed between the final adjective and the noun which it describes. So it is necessary to understand you. Now, when several adjectives are used together, they are placed in particular sequence. The order of adjectives depends on their function. Generally, we do not use more than 3 adjectives in a sentence. So it is clear here for you that whenever you are going to write or speak a sentence, then generally you should use 3 adjectives. Never try to use more than 3 adjectives. It will become strange. And now the table below show the order in which the adjective should be placed in a sentence. It is very important, my dear student. Adjective topic is very important, but when you write the sentence and you use adjective, then many times you commit mistake in writing. So it is very necessary to learn to understand the proper sequence of the adjectives that you write in sentences. So dear student, first we should write value or opinion, after that size, then age, then shape, color, origin, material, purpose. So this is the proper sequence to write adjective in a sentence. Some examples related to it given here in this box, like value and opinion: beautiful, expensive, pretty, smart, ugly. Size is small, big, fat, thin, large. Age, old, ancient, young, new, modern. Shape, round, square, triangular, circular, flat. Color, black, blue, pale, red, golden. Origin, Italian, English, Indian, American, Chinese. Material, gold, wood, plastic, cloth, glass. And purpose, writing, sleeping, racing, frying, cracking. Okay, so you have to learn the sequence. You have to follow the sequence. For example, when you order up, the adjective will something like this: I need to buy a beautiful small black Italian watch. She gifted me an expensive square wooden table. So it is very important for you all that you have to arrange the adjectives in proper way. Now for your practice, you are given exercise A, and you have to write at least 3 adjectives of each noun. Opinion, you have to write opinion. Suppose that first noun girl, for girl we are going to write, so in the box of opinion you can write beautiful. In size you can write tall, and in origin can write Indian. So the sentence you can form: a beautiful tall Indian girl. A beautiful tall Indian girl. So dear student, like this you can fill at least 3 adjectives for each of these nouns. For girl, car, cloud, tree, village, shawl, building, chocolate, student, paintings. I hope you can do this exercise properly. And exercise B is given here. We are going to talk about exercise B. Rearrange these sets of words correctly. Dear student, you have to rearrange the set of words that are given incorrectly. Girl, a chubby, friendly, young. So this is in words are not in correct manner. You have to write them in correct sequence. So I am going to help you to complete these practice exercises. So first sentence is written here, and that we have to rearrange: girl, a chubby, friendly, young. So as we learn the sequence, first we have to write opinion, size, then age, shape, color, origin, material, and then noun or purpose. So this sequence we have to follow, this sequence, that first write opinion or value, then write size, then age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. So if we follow this sequence, the sentence will be correct, errorless. So that is why we are going to do exercise B. First sentence: a young chubby friendly girl. This is correct. And second, marble oval big a table. So when we write it in correct proper sequence, proper order, the sentence we form: a big oval marble table. Like this, rest of the exercises also we have to do. Third sentence: Victorian, popular novelist. So when we rearrange it, we can write a popular Victorian novelist. And fourth sentence: some pretty small gold ornaments and rearrange it in proper manner, then we form sentence some small pretty gold ornaments. So on, we are going to do fifth sentence. Tall popular teacher our tall popular teacher. This is correct sentence. Our tall popular teacher. Sentence, next sentence number 6. A small young bear black. So this is incorrect, and now correct order of these words. A small young black bear. A small young black bear. This is correct order of these words. Now next, number 7 sentence. White and plate round old porcelain. So dear student, the correct order of these words is an old round white porcelain. 8. The given words are nice black cotton sari. A. So when we write it in correct order, so the sentence form, the line form, a small, a nice, not small, a nice black cotton sari. 9. A small charming Chinese painting. So when we correct the these words, a small charming Chinese painting. A small charming Chinese painting. Last sentence, marble white 19th century mansion. So when we write it in correct order, a 19th century white marble mansion. So this is the correct answer. As I have told you about the correct order of these 10 sentences, and now I am going to tell you about exercise C. Dear student, listen me. In exercise C, you have to rearrange the adjectives in these sentences in the proper order. So these sentences are written here, 6 sentences, and the orders of the adjectives are not correct in this sentence. So I am going to correct it. Listen. First sentence is written, Ramesh uncle bought rare Chinese old several artifacts from the fair. So when we correct it, Ramesh uncle bought several old rare Chinese artifacts from the fair. So this is the correct order. And next sentence, second number, the huge beautiful cemented memorial was built in 1903. So the correct order of this sentence, the beautiful huge cemented memorial was built in 1903. Now third sentence, the Kashmiri red square embroidered tablecloth belongs to my grandmother. So this sentence is not in correct order. Okay, so the sentence which is in correct order I am going to tell you. The square red embroidered Kashmiri table cloth belongs to my grandmother. This is correct sequence of the adjectives. Now fourth sentence. The new, original, last Victorian painting can be found in the exhibition. This is fourth sentence. And when we correct the order of the adjectives in this sentence, then we form a new sentence, and that is the last few Victorian original paintings can be found in the exhibition. And now fifth sentence. This silk green beautiful suit was gifted to me by my father. So now I am going to reorder the adjectives of this sentence. This beautiful green silk suit was gifted to me by my father. This beautiful green silk suit was gifted to me by my father. This is correct order. Now last sentence of exercise C. Fat Indian big. The wedding is an affair to be remembered. Okay. Dear student, the fat big Indian wedding is an affair to be remembered. So these are the proper sequence. And one more exercise is given here, my dear student, that is exercise D. And what you have to do in exercise D? You have to make sentences with each of these nouns using any three of the adjectives. As I told you just before some time, that whenever you are going to form a sentence and you are using many adjectives, then you can use maximum 3 adjectives. That is good. And now 4 adjectives are given in this table, and we have to form sentence. So first the noun girl, and 4 adjectives are given: Canadian, tall, beautiful, fair. So I am going to form a sentence. You need to listen me attentively so that you can understand. Dear student, a beautiful tall Canadian girl. A beautiful tall Canadian girl. So this is proper order of the adjective with noun. Okay, a beautiful tall Canadian girl is my friend. So this is a sentence. And second noun is given ball, and adjectives are given magic, ancient, crystal, round. So I am going to form sentence. A round ancient magic ball has been seen in the exhibition. Has been seen in the exhibition. And third noun given garden, and adjectives are given large, beautiful, fragrant, circular. So I am going to form the sentence. I have seen a large, beautiful, circular garden near my school. Fourth set noun, that is book, and adjectives are given red, interesting, big, square. So using 3 adjectives from given adjectives, the fourth sentence I am going to form, that is a big, interesting, red book is mine. Fifth sentence. noun given mug and adjectives large, plastic, round, purple. There is a large purple plastic mug. There is a large purple plastic mug on the table. So now exercise D has been completed. And dear student, I hope you understand very well about the sequence of adjectives as well as about these exercises. I help you to complete them, and at least one more time I am going to tell you about the correct order of the adjectives that should be placed in a sentence. So first you have to write the value and opinion of that adjective, then size, then age, and then write about its shape, color, origin, material, purpose. Okay, I need to buy a beautiful small black Italian watch. So in this sentence, beautiful, small, black Italian, three adjectives have been used. So you have to learn their appropriate order, how you have to write them in the sentence. That I taught you in this video, and I hope you understand properly. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video.